Alright, I had a little bit of planning, but I'm kind of thinking as we're going to. Okay, so this is going to be the main scene. It's going to be 2D again, keep it simpler, I guess. We'll just keep it main scene, boom, because it's going to hold everything else, like our player and all that stuff. How that's going to work. Actually, let's pull up Paint. Try to make a way to think of how it's going to work really quick. Okay, so it's going to be left to right. This is going to be like the area where it's actually going. And then you're going to have to boom, there's going to be an area where you have to land inside. If you do that, you get points. And then ideally, make it like, the closer to the center, the more points you get, but I'm not sure to implement that. Probably wouldn't be hard, but it's going to take me probably at least like 40 minutes of research to figure out, honestly. Because it's a different system, and it's not going to work, and it's going to bug out. It's just how it goes. You think big 10 minutes, it's probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Something to keep it simple. Feeling in the area, boom, skadoosh, points. And then there's the player, which is going to have their own like smaller version of that. Oh no, you're lack. Well, let's look player blue, because blue's generally like, oh, ally team. The only little player, no, straight, no, boom, boom, and then bing, and that can go like left and right. And when it hits one side, it'll automatically go the opposite. Like you'll hit one edge, then boom, opposite direction, boom, 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 boom. Um, I'll probably make it infinite just to make it simple, because this is very for 1 hour is a ludicrously short time. I'm not sure it's even a thing really. So now I'm gonna go. What do we implement first? Well, we need the player thing. I guess let's make the area where. Yeah, let's make the player last. We'll make the area and the thing that's like placed at a random point. I'm not sure what to call it really. I should probably think first and then do it well. Um, I'll give it a name. It's fine. I'll just call it like a play area for now. Even though that's a pretty bad name. Very vague. But we're doing the dumb move of making a game jam in an hour, which is very funny. Very, very funny. Ha ha ha, funny. 2D. It's going to be a rectangle, because, boom, boom, rectangle. This is going to be like a 1280 by 7. What's that again? No. 1280 by 720. I think 1280 by 720. That's like the other quality. There's 1920 by 1080 or something like that, but we're not doing that. We'll do the lower quality one. That's fine. Close. And now I can set this is a length to 720. And we don't need to make it 1080. Or no. 12, is it 1280? 1280, okay. 12. We'll make it like 12 then. 1200. Because we won't hit the exact opposite of the screen, it's fine. And then make it like, I don't know, 50. That seems like a reasonable amount. Play area scene, and it's always good to stay organized. It'll help later on, even in a short one like this. So we're going to go scenes, and then we'll just put both of our scenes in the scenes file, and we'll separate it from the scripts file. That's mainly what I do currently in my smaller projects. Maybe there's an art one still like that, but I'm not going to need art here. I don't have time for that. Now, in this collision shape, we're also going to make an instantiate mesh 2D, which is the thing that gives it like a look. So we're going to do box mesh, and then I remember still being confused about this last time a little bit, but I'm just going to drag it out to where it looks right. Boom, looking good. And then same thing over here. Can I just... Oh, that's perfect, okay. And then, boom. That should be perfect. I'm not sure how to change the material, actually, shoot. I haven't done materials yet. White it is. That's not gonna look good. Oh, material? Do standard material, come on. Okay, this looks some... Albedo, that's what I want, okay. The rest I'm just gonna leave alone. Albedo. Oh, why is it changing color? Why aren't you changing color? Okay, then. There's probably some good reason I just don't have time to check. Because I pretty much have to do also from memory a very minimal checkups, like how things work here. I can't look up too many things for this run, since I have an hour. Even a couple minutes is a big deal. Let's make it like 720, like 400 for now. That seems about right. Now, is that going to be in the center of the scene, or is that going to be at the edge? Because I think that's going to be in the center of the scene. Or not the center, sorry. So, okay, we'll change the transformation to 1280. Or no, 1200, because that's the size. Divided by 2, 600. It's convenient if you can do that. You can just type an equation and it'll solve for it. What's going on here? What's going on here, Walt? Walt, I'm a little confused here. Maybe it's the opposite. 1200? No, that's clearly wrong. Also, shouldn't that be larger? Okay, this is a little confusing, I'll be honest with you folks. I'm a little confused right now. And I'd like to look it up. Truth be told, why is this not the thing that I would like? Shader. I'm kind of scared to miss a shader. Yeah, never mind. If it stopped there, I was going to be fine, but it's not. Let's keep going. I'll give it like a one more try. Standard. Oh, that's 3D. I don't want 3D. 3D shader material. I guess it has to be shader then. Okay, let's just try. Texture. Well, I think this might be it. Which one is it? I know gradient works. It's a little scuffed to make it a gradient for no reason. But I can't remember what the proper one is. See, these aren't the best habits necessarily. But they're not horrific. No, they're pretty horrific, honestly. But theoretically should work. And I'll make it like it was intentional by, like, I don't know, I'll make it different, like, ooh. Changes side to side. That looks cool, right? Like, that was totally intentional. Dev meant to do that the entire time. 100%, 100%. Why are you a different color? Okay. Why are you in the wrong place, young one? 600. That should be in the center. That looks like... I wish the box was all the way, not just there. Full screen. What the fuck? Project. 1280. Oh, that's what comes from 1200. Okay, 1280 divided by 2. But it shouldn't be that big of a difference. Yeah, that's still wrong. What? Okay, let's just mess with it then. Fine. It's a little weird. I don't like it. Oh, I don't like this. It's not going to be centered. It's not going to be centered, and I don't like that. Shoot. Alright, it's fine for now. It's fine for now. It's scuff. It's quality of life. I make a patch afterwards and fix it. I'll make like a say, I'll be like, oh, we're fixing the 1-hour game jam. I probably won't do that, but maybe I will. Who knows? Who knows? It'd be kind of cool. Let's make a video about polish. I'll learn about polish and Godot. Because I need a little bit for Unity. Okay, so we have this. That's cool. It's just a sprite going right now. Nothing's happening there. What I would like to do is I'd like to make it to where I can instantiate a random point on it, an area that's like the little point like that, and that has an area that if the player goes into it, it recognizes, and then if I press they're in the area and press space, then they get the points. So I want to do the same thing pretty much. Area 2D. I'm not sure what to call it really. Score area. I'll call it that. And then we'll give it a collision shape 2D. Because it needs that to know where it is or something like that. Collision. If I explain those things properly, it's okay. It's okay, Damien. You're doing good. You're doing great. Okay, score area, collision shape. I'll add the instantiation afterwards. I want to look like that shape, where it's like the taller than wider. What's the dimensions on this? Why is that not gonna help me, is it? Mesh instance. No, I want collision shape. Collision shape 50. 50 is the height. That's what I need. So 50. Where is it? There. 50. Boom. That matches it. Be a little bit thicker. A little juicy. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Now we just need to make an instantiate area 2D, which gives it the little mesh that we can look at. So you can actually see it. And then... How much time do I have? Oh, but it's been 10 minutes. That's not terrible. That's not terrible. I just gotta keep moving fast. And hope nothing bad happens. That's what I'm relying on. That nothing goes wrong. Which, you know, game dev, it's famous for nothing going wrong in it, and it working smoothly with no issues. Totally none of those ever. This does not include the upload part. I'm not uploading this within an hour. I'm just making the game and showing it to you. But okay? Because it was messing with me. There's some audio weird stuff. Not that I'm doing audio this time, so it'll probably be fine. but I take an extra 5 minutes. Be an hour and 5 minute game jam. Or maybe if I get better, I can do it. Score area, scenes. Wait. What did I do? Score area. Okay. Mesh instance. Yeah. Okay. So then I'll make a spawner script on it. Because this doesn't need to cloud editing, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. How do I want to do this? Do I make it... Oh, I'll make it it's a prefab. I'll make it like a preload thing, and I can just spawn this. Yeah, that'll be the best way to do it. Okay. Play area. Yeah, best name, but it's okay. I'm not good at... I was better naming them in Unity, honestly, because they work differently. It's very more component-based. But technically it's component-based here. It's just a different way of thinking about it. I'm still adapting too. Okay. So I need to make a var... Get out of here, Shada. Doon. U2GD script. I'll make a script photo in a second. Score. Yeah, that'll always be in the same place. That won't change. Okay, so I can make it to that. Okay. Var score area equals, and then I think I can just go boom underneath this sign. I think that's fine, right? It's not like I'm using export. I need to choose this type. Yeah, that works. Okay. Now we'll make a function. We're not ready also, but we'll make a function called func spawn score area. It doesn't roll off the tongue great, but that's okay. That's okay. We still love it all the same. I remember there's a thing called generator. It's like a var. Is RNG the generator, or what is it? Okay. You doing the thing where you're not going to give me corrections unless something's going wrong? Okay. Okay, I see how it is. What do you mean expect? Okay, whatever. Oh yes, this is the name. Equals generator. It'd be here. That's what it's gonna be. Orange. Okay, I'm just looking it up. Godot for RNG. RNG random generator.new. Random generator.new. Okay. So it's gonna be. Do I need a preload here? Or is it down? I think I need to preload up here, yeah. So I need to preload this. Yeah, because I have to preload the asset, and then I can put it in here. Or whatever it's called. I'm used to calling them assets in Unity. I haven't heard a different term to use here instead. I still call it things like instances, or, well, it's still instances. I don't know. Score area, every time we make it, we're going to go, hey, spawn. We're going to get a score area, make an instance of spawn area. So, score area, done, instantiate. But we're going to make it a variable. Score. These names are terrible. Inst. So score area instance, instantiation, equals to that. Now we're going to set its position equal. I did this in the last video, kind of, so the area thing. I remember I did this. How did I do it? It was like, yeah, this should be grabbable. Let's just in case, var call shape equals. Boom. Okay. Score area instantiation equals. Oh, I remember I had problems with this actually. It took me minutes to debug off video. Oh, I remember that in the last video. Score area instantiation equals. Okay, so I need to get the width of the collider shape. That's how big the play area is where it can spawn, right? Okay, so it's going to be collider shape dot shape dot size. Is that it? Dot x. I don't like how it doesn't give you like the thing. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, it's good now? Okay, that's cool. A little delayed. It scares me. Not an expression. Oh yeah, sorry. Times, and then it's going to be RNG dot random f, because i's range. Yeah, float. That's good. Between -1 and +1, so it's anywhere inside that area, from the max to the min. Maybe let's make it like a little smaller, so it's not on the very edge. We'll make it like 9.7 and 9 point. No, not 9.7. Point 0.97. That's better. So it's not going to be right on the edge, and some weird might happen. What's up with this? Oh yeah, I have to make it on already. I forgot about that. Pretty sure I don't need it for this though. Just this. And then I just need to make it to where I go, hey, score area inst dot, or is it that or is it the opposite? Because I need to add to tree. I think I just add a tree. Add child. Yeah, add child score area inst. Good. And then we'll just make one of these spawn. Nope. Spawn score area. And I might need to do the global thing or something. I'm bred some sort of issue with it. But we're just going to take it as it goes. Oh yeah, that I should probably set it to a value, shouldn't I? Position. I really wish the autocorrect was more powerful. Is it working? I cannot tell. Is it being overridden? Is it being put on top of it or something, maybe? Let's try finding out by making this larger. And I can just undo it afterwards. Just go, boom. Save. Oh, it is, okay. It is working. And it's not being put over it. So it's not working the first time? What happened the first time? Boom, good. Boom, good. Boom, good. And that's why we put it on the edge for something to go outside. We put like a 0.97, which is an arbitrary number, something less than 1 that we're logically would. Where is it? Where is it? Remote lets you see the current scene. I wish you could actually see it though, that'd be really nice. Score area. Where is its location? Why are you at -800? That doesn't seem normal. Did I make it 9 instead? No. And is it somewhere I can see this time? If it's somewhere I can see, I'm gonna check the position. No, it happened again. So it's going outside of where I want it to be. Like it's over here currently. So why is the question? Where's it supposed to be? Is it being set local position? Position.x. Is like stacking that on top of it? Do I need to make it global position? Because it could be like, oh yeah, I'm at the center, and then here's the center again. But would it be that? Okay, because it should be inheriting the position. Say, hey, I'm spawning here directly on the center of play area, which is right here, yeah, in the center, perfect. And I'm saying, hey, this is 0, 0, 0, go like 50 out, right? So it should always be inside the collider shape, and the collider shape is the same, right? Here, we can go to Edit, Debug, View Visible Paths. Here. Yep, it's inside. What the heck? I had the same problem. Why did I solve it? .x. Okay, so what's happening here? What's happening here? So, collider shape. So it's saying, hey, 25 times. So all these numbers should be less than 25. Is that how this is working, though? Also, does it even make sense? Why? Is that 25 pixels? Oh, this. Okay, never mind. Wrong thing I'm looking at. So 12,000. 12,000 pixels. And then times a positive or negative amount. Let's try to get a bad one again. See, we're live debugging here. See, this one works. Perfection. What's it look like in the remote area? Because it should be in the area, so this might be helpful for finding out. So this is 365, right? 365. And where's 365? 365 is more towards the end, actually. Do we need to divide it by 2? Is that what's happening here? Is this going to be... I feel like that's going to be the solution. Even though I feel like it shouldn't be. Because the size... Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. If it's always on, and it can reach the end, then I think that's the solution. I don't know why. I just got a random spark of inspiration. Oh my! I don't have time to think about it really too much. I'm gonna give it a couple more tries because this is integral to the game for it to work. That this works. Oh, this is what Russian devs feel like. It was like working like Blizzard or I mean, I think like Mappa, like the animation company. I'm thinking that more, but oh my goodness. Okay, I think that works. Because this shape goes in both directions, I kind of assumed it'd be going out from the same, but I think it's saying it's the total size, not size in each direction. I imagine it was in each direction. But 2 would make it to where that works, actually. Okay, so assuming that works now, how much time do I have? Okay, 20 minutes are gone. Drink some water. Okay. Score area, instance opposition, collider shape, .x. Shows later next. Okay, let's just look at our scene. Let's just look at our scene, looking all great and happy. Boom. Let's give it a different color. Oh, no, actually, you can stay that. It's fine. That's fine. We'll just give the player a different thing. So what do we need to happen? We need to make it to where when we'll probably do a thing like you press a button, like space, like that video or something. So it goes to the end, then boom. Whenever it'll be logically going out to here. And then it moves down, and when it hits the edge, then it turns back around. So we'll make player area, area 3D, collider shape 2D. Was it 70? What was the size? Let's give it 50 now. Score area 50. That's 50. Okay, so we'll give it like 70 then. Because in each direction, maybe we'll go a little bigger, but that's fine. And go 80. Why not? We can always change it. Instantiate areas. Gotta make sure to change both of them. Because that's one thing I don't really like. Or I gotta figure out how it works properly. Because you can't always scale like the area thing. Or else you start getting errors and stuff. And probably causes problems. A little bit of a pain. It's nice to be able just to change it. And if it changes the mesh and it changes the boxes and all that. It's a little weird that you have to do it multiple times. Or maybe I'm misunderstanding it. Okay, back to thinking. Box mesh. Box mesh? Oh, there you are. Okay. Size 120, and then it was 70, right? No, 80. Then decrease a little to check. Perfect. Okay. Let's call it player. Keep it simple. Player. And then we'll give it a little fancy, little color, little do the exact same thing. We're gonna give it a texture. Wasn't texture's material. Material. What? What? Why are the materials I can give you different in the play area? Huh? Huh? Is that under Is it a different area? That I like find the cheat code? Okay, texture. Okay, I think it was texture I put it in. Okay, different systems. I'll learn it later. I feel like... Yeah, I'll just give it this. Why not? Boom. We'll give it like that much. And then over here, we'll give it like... It would look cool. Gotta consider the background it's on. And then we make it a little like boom, boom, so each side gets a little bit of both. Like pure. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's what the heck? Not pushing back very well. I guess that's fine. Was there a third one? Was that the issue? No, that was the issue. What the heck? Okay, fair enough. It's like a magma thing. That'll look decent, I imagine. And then we're gonna go boom, add player, hit the rough area. Then player, we'll set the exact area. 400? Yeah, 400. Boing. And now, just a sprite. But why is it blue on the outside? Why is it blue on the outside? Is it? Oh, I think that means the shade or the collider. That's fine. I think it's just the shader or collider. Is it? I turned it off and I can still see it. I think that was it. Okay. This doesn't look great. Oh my goodness. But it's okay. It's okay. Once I get it working, I can adjust stuff. No, I should have the proper template first, actually. Okay. Do we need this to be bigger? Yeah, I do. Okay. That's fine. My main concern is I don't want to make it too large and then it doesn't like fit a certain area, a certain like screen, because this would be 1280 by 720. Right? Project settings. Okay. I'm like, it's 1280, right? Like, am I missing something here? And then why is it not at the center? And okay, I don't know. That's okay. I can figure this out later. I can figure it out later. It should be 1280 divided by 2, please. That looks like it should be what I imagine is the center, but then I go into the game and it's very much not the center. A little bit of a disparity there, I dare say. Which I'm not too fond of, admittedly. And then we're gonna go. Okay, 1920 divided by 2. Is that gonna be the answer? Is it not true? It's using the aspect ratio it's not supposed to be using. Maybe the editor works differently than the actual one? Maybe that's the case. That's a weird little quirk. So maybe it's only for export? Okay, fine, I'll just work off that then. So 1920, 1080 divided by 2, and then we'll just keep it there, yeah. 540, 540, because I don't want to get to the end and just have it not work. Yeah, that seems pretty centered and decent, and I'll put like a basic background there, scorecard up here. How much time do I have? Half the time left, okay. Not terrible, not terrible. It's definitely some complicated things, and this is not looking easy. This is not looking easy by any means, but it is doable. Wait, am I spawning the thing? Okay, I'm spawning. I think it was just on top of that one time. One more try. Okay. Now I want to make the script for the player, which is pretty much going to be, hey, you go to the edge, and then once you leave the edge, then turn around. And I could do that a lot better, have a way to do it to be better, but it'd take a lot of time, so instead I'm just being kind of scuffed, admittedly. I'm going to make it to where the collision area is actually smaller than the mesh area. A little scuffed, I'm going to be honest with you. I'll make it to where it's like 1980. What? Oh no, I mean 1180. So then it'll leave, still be on, and then turn around. And then I'll adjust the script here to be a bit better, because it doesn't be as low of a number anymore. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the player, which is this whole object right here. Then I'm just going to keep a general player, but it's player movement, really. I might add some more stuff. Let's keep player for now. I'm not sure how the naming conventions work yet for Godot. It seems very different than what I'm used to. So what's going to happen is every second we're going to be moving in one direction, and then then sometimes we're going another direction. Effectively, that's gonna be what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go, hey, I should probably stop running this. We're gonna use area entered. That's what we're doing. So when we enter an area, we're gonna check if it is. Well, I guess we're gonna use this for two separate things actually. This is gonna be for score. Okay. I'm going to make 3 different groups, effectively. Groups are like a way to identify things, kind of like tags or layers. Well, I guess we'll do tags. It's probably a little better, because layers are a thing here. We're going to go... groups. Okay. And then interestingly, when you make a group, its children only can become part of the group. It's kind of weird. What do I call this? I'll just call it map. Keep it simple. More importantly, keep it at a place where I have time. Is that... No, okay, I must have manually. Map. Capitalized map. Capitalized map needs to be capitalized. Map, map, map. Perfect. And then this is just going to be score. I don't remember if it interacts with the score area, or if it interacts with the area or the collision object. So I'm just going to play it safe. So when I enter an area, actually no, we're going to do the exit first. We'll have the enter afterwards. So node signals area exited. So we're going to check, hey, if the thing we just interact with, the area, dot is in group map capitalized, then let's look at the speed thing. Export var move speed equals 10. And then every frame, well, I guess we won't need to make it every frame. We'll just make it on these emergencies. 10. I think you set velocity once, right? And then it just says that. But oh shoot, wait, no, this is an area. Shoot, how do I want to do this? Okay, we'll make it simpler then. We'll make it simpler. I don't need to use velocity. In that case, we will go transforms nothing in this. Position dot x plus equals move speed. Times dir. Dir being direct. Actually, screw it, I'm gonna be a little funny. Be a funny little guy. Okay, so if it is an area, then move speed equals negative move speed. So we start out, we go 10, turn around, and that should make it good. Except, no it won't. Process is not the function we should be using, you silly little goofball. We should be using a physics process instead. Because it's more consistent, I'm pretty sure, or something like that. Wait, do I need to use delta still? Fuck. Do I need to use delta still? I think I do. I remember if I'm wrong, please correct me. I need to check this myself. I remember even getting confused by that, so I kind of just avoided the physics process thing. Position.x move speed times delta. Boom, boom, boom. How much does it function? Here. Let's go player. GeForce experience, I did not ask. Let's go like 90 and make it a much bigger number because we don't got time. Okay, I need to buff it again, but it's fine. Nothing happens there. Oh, it works. I'm a genius. Okay, let's make it like 400, and then just see if it works like multiple times. Boom. Boom. And then one more time. Boom. Oh, it feels amazing. It feels really cool that it worked actually well. I really like that. It makes me happy. Okay, so now we're going to do a separate one where if on... So what is the tag for the score area called? Score, right? Just capital or lowercase? Score, uppercase, okay. So we're going to use that in... We're going to use it on both areas here. So if area on entered we're gonna make a boolean, and then we're checking process func, because the process can check more theoretically for better for having input, more responsive. So we're gonna go, hey, process if, I'm just gonna pass for a second, and then I'm gonna go back to it. Var is in score area equals false. If now we're gonna go into our project settings, input map, and then I'm just gonna call it hit. I can't think of anything better, and we're running really low on time. Then space. So if we hit space, effectively is what we're saying. If input dot get key get pressed. So is that it? Is action. Is key pressed? Is action just pressed? Hit. Then and is in score area. Then shoot. We may need to do this in reverse. I think we can do it in reverse. Shoot. Because I was going to do this, but now it's going to be, wait, how do I grab the object to destroy it? I can't. I mean, I can, but it'd be a lot more complicated. It'd be a lot better if we can reverse. Okay, how am I going to do this? So instead, because I want to check while I'm in. Oh, I say just do an alt while then, right? I think that's a thing. On area enter. Is there a while in area? Oh, there is. I forgot. There's not a while in area thing. Okay. Shoot. All time is looking a little short. It's going to be close. So there's our first block. Input dot action just pressed hit. So if I press space and I'm in the score area, then boom, do the stuff. But I don't have access to the area, the thing. Let's go. Area entered. Okay, let's try flipping it and see if that works. So we're just gonna make a. Oh, I could make a timer thing, but it's not very. Oh, shoot. Shoot, I'm having a lot of trouble with this actually. This looks a little more complicated than I thought it'd be. Or this is just this part. Because I want to, if you're in the area and you press space, then do it. Should be as simple as this, but I need access to the area. So it needs to be in here that I execute it. On area entered. Can I assign a variable or something, like a game? I'm going to try assigning something. I'm going to go var area holder equals node. Just simple as node. And then area holder equals area. This is very scuffed. There's gotta be a better way to do this, but time limitation I've never done this for even. Okay. If area dot is in group. Oh, it's not giving me the spell correct. Is in group. I don't know why it does. Like sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. When it's red, it doesn't. Is in group. Score. Yeah, I think score. Score. Then area holder equals area. So if this is the case, area holder dot queueFree. No, fuck. Make it a node 2D. Maybe I need that for queueFree. What's happening here? Open, close, open. Okay, one more. Shoot. Area dot. Did I undo it? Why can't I? Place. Okay. Area dot hit. That do it? I don't think that's it. Yeah, I don't think that's it. I think that's something else. Let's just give it a try and see if it works. I need to copy and paste it because I'm not confident in my spelling. Godot for Q free. This is going to be a mighty close one. Yeah, it should be any node, right? So this should work. Up is an error. Cannot call non-static function Q on node 2D directly. Must make an instance instead. But this is an instance. Right? I said this is true also. Shoot, my mind's getting fizzled. This is not looking great for me, admittedly. Okay, good, cool. Cannot call non-static function Q-free on the static class node 2D directly. Did I... Oh, yeah, no, that, yeah, I see the problem here. I see the problem here. Var node 2D. Yeah, like I said, equal to it. Got it. Dog, what are you talking about? Dog, please. Okay, I'm gonna try opening and closing and hope that fixes it, I guess. Kinda sometimes Godot just glitches out and doesn't make changes and stuff and you gotta reset it. Which is a little silly, but fair. It happens. Development's a hard thing. Okay. Position, Q free, everything there. Node 2D. I'm not sure if it's colliding. I'll make a thing for that. Print 1, and then after you Q free, print 2. So then it goes all the way through. 1 is running, 2 is not running. Why is 2 not running? Oh, because I'm not pressing hit. Okay. Yeah, the point of the game, I forgot. Spam. Okay, that's good. I mean, it failed, which is bad, but it worked. It ran at least. Or got to here. Area holder to Q free. Can I call Q free on a previously freed instance? What do you mean it's freed? Doug. Okay, I'll try hit. I'm not sure what that does. I brave time. But maybe. Can I get in? Shoot. I'm currently thinking, like, do I need to modify the game to make this work in time? Because I'm not sure how to solve this issue. Because I need to access it with this, and if I can't even, like, assign it like I thought I could. On area entered. On area entered. Area entered. I'm pretty sure that's how it works, right? I've used this node before quite a bit. I want to fail this challenge. I think up until now it was entirely doable. Area node. But it's freed. Why is it freed? I'm saying, hey, store this value for me for later. It's like, okay, I got you, buddy. Equals null. I know it's gonna change it. I really do. But maybe. What? Did that do it? I mean, I pressed it properly that time. I didn't, like, spam it. Am I spam it again? Like every other time? So it... Okay. Oh, I know the problem is. I know the problem is. Okay, so I'm freeing it, and then I'm still trying to free it afterwards. Like if I do it now, crash. That's the issue. Okay, got it. Got it. I have to understand the values. That's fine. I was gonna remove stuff after, but okay. If freed, I can get rid of 1 and 2 now. So I don't make it more confusing for my future debugging stuff if I need it. If area isn't score, high score. I think that's good, right? In area, boom, false, null. And thing in area holder equals null. If area holder not equals null, then queue free. Shoot, a much amount of time. Okay, that should be good now. I can spam. Good. Double check by spamming beforehand. Even those errors, it's fine as long as it works. It doesn't bug out. Fantastic. Okay. And then I'm gonna make a signal to say, hey, spawn another one. I'm not good at signals yet, but I have the basic gist. Signal, spawn, score killed. Lowercase, I think just make lowercase. Score killed. Var. Is it just signal? You just say signal, score killed? Sounds like, I guess so. Okay, fair enough. Signal, score killed. And then I can, how do I connect this? Score killed. Score area, play area. This looks different than last time, like yesterday. Why is this a different symbol? Why does it go to groups? Well, this isn't a group, to be fair. But scripts. So player. Fuck, there's so much going on. Player. So the player. Oh, do I need to? Oh no, I can do it here. I can do it here. Okay, we're fine. We're fine, folks. We're good. So player connected to play area. And when that happens, spawn score area. If we can get this, we're gonna be close to having our game loop done. I think. Okay, spam. Boom. Shit. Oh, you have to admit. I have to admit the signal. You can't just say, "Hey, signal." You gotta admit the signal. Get a little silly sometimes. Where's the destroy? Kill, killed. That's what it was. Dot emit, and now that should work. Spam. Boom. Oh yeah, it feels good. Feels good. Double check, and one more. Fantastic. Okay. Dope. I mean, let's jump a speed just to make it more interesting. Player, inspector. Let's give it like 650. And I'll see that next time we're doing something. Let's check it right now. Why not? Boom. 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 Shoot, I should probably add a consequence if you don't, because now you're just going to spam. Shoot, I just realized that. So, shoot. I should probably I should structure this differently, but I don't have time. Elif input dot is action just pressed. Hit. I do like how the string thing auto corrects for you. That's nice. I like that. Pass, and then we'll make it to where you lose points. Pass, lose points. And shit, 9 minutes. I'm not gonna have time for this. Okay. So what do I need to do still? I need to make light a little bit. That's okay. I need to add a background. Yeah, just add a background. Simple as that. I want to make a really simple background. Just boom. Go here. Control. Actually, let's do the UI stuff. Control 2D. We need a, what's it called? It's a box. Yeah, a box container. I think that's with the second layers. Sure hope so, at least. Boom. Okay. Now we're going to add a color rectangle. This seems like a good place to have a color ramp. Seems like the best place you could have it, actually. So why isn't it doing anything? Oh yeah, I gotta make it size. Boom, and boom. Nope, okay. Go above. And make that boom. You scared me. Can I give it the size? Yes, I can, thank goodness. 1920 by 1080. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Alright, that's a little... How do I make this not override everything else? How do I put it as the background? I don't... Shoot. Screw... no. No, I want this. Godot. How to... audio. Make color rect background. Not enough time, damn. Okay, instead, a little scuffed, we're just gonna make it like transparent. How's that look? Oh, this is scuffed. Oh, I don't like how that looks actually. Shoot. Okay, instead what we're gonna do, we're not gonna use a color rect, that's fine. That's fine actually. We're just gonna really quickly go boom. Instantiate instantiate please. Instantiate 2D. Oh, it doesn't want to make thing. 2D. Fine, this. I wanted this. Game is being an ass. Boom. Be massive. Go however big, I don't even care. Just very. Boom. But that what? That sucks. That's boom. Yeah, exactly. Boom. Put it at the top. Everything else put on top of it. Perfect. Texture. Gradient. Now we can do the thing I wanted to do. Just make it a gradient. And we can go boom. Yeah, I'm taking too much time. I think I'm gonna finish in time. Shoot. And then 2. But it's not gonna stop me from trying. Boom. I feel like the gradient isn't very smooth. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's fine. Not just bad. Next, I need the score text. So we're gonna go box container. We're gonna go label. And where's this? Override text. Because we gotta be fast. Font size. Let's say like 50. I'm going to be fast here. Oh yes, okay. I need right text. Score. Enter. You're down there for some reason. Okay. You should be up here. Oh, something's off here. Something's off here. And then you connect to... You know what? Honestly, I'll work with it. I'll work with it. It's fine. It's fine. You just need to move upwards. Can I move you upwards here? Very scuffed, but if I can just... Shoot. Texture, material. I need to try to transform or something like that. Shoot. It can't be right there. Wait, honest, I think good enough. I just put an extra like here. Okay, good. Totally scuffed, but it works out of time. I think like 40. Let's give it like 48. I think 48. That's a size that happens. Score, boom, good. Like 0. Boom. I mess up. Boom. Okay, that's good. Here, what I'll do actually is you need to give it a little bit of a buffer area because it feels kind of bad when you miss it. When you feel like you should get like, oh, it's BS. It's a common thing in games actually. You get a little bit of an extra buffer, just a little bit, to where you're like, oh yeah, I'm good. I'm good at this game. So I should feel better now. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, good. And now I can. What am I getting still? What does it need? I need to update the score when I get points. I don't have time to make a loop. I see. Shoot. I've done for a restart menu or anything like that. Okay. Let's just do that then. That's fine. That's fine. So what we're going to do is when a... Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to export at export label, export var score text label. And then when we do all this, we're just going to add like plus 10. We could do something more fun, but like plus 10 to score anytime we hit it. So we're going to go score text dot text plus equals score. Oh, sure, I need to make a score variable. I just realized that. Var score equals 0. Score plus equals like 10. Let's make it like 14, like 27. 27 and equals score plus score. Doesn't look great, but that's okay. I don't think we can. I think it does automatically actually. Boom. I missed it. Shoot. Me being bad's make me lose. No, it does need to be concatenated. Okay. str concatenates to a string. Basically turning from an integer or a float to a string, which is what we need. So spam space, enough time. Oh yeah, same issue I had last time, my last game. Okay, so I need to go boom. I forgot to assign a value. So I need to go to player and then assign this label. So it's because I was saying, hey, assign the value, the label. It's like, yeah, gotcha. Oh, which label? Boom, boom. Why does it make it move up? That's fine. Looks better actually. Because I was afraid that it wasn't going to show on screen. It was too high up. But I don't think that's going to be an issue. Where is it? Where is it? Score area. Label. And boom. Actually, actually that looks better. I'll let that stay. Boom. 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 Okay. I think that's a decent game loop. Let's just make it to where if you lose, how much time do I have? Fuck, I don't win. I was so close. I was so close. Oh my god. Okay. 1 hour's up. 1 hour's up. I can only imagine how much space is taking up to film. Shoot. So pretty much didn't end up succeeding in the end. In the end, if you end up skipping this part, I failed, but I was able to get the game this far, where it's like going left, right. Whenever I destroy a thing, it destroys it, makes a new one, and adds a certain amount to my score. Currently it's static. Pretty simple. There's so many scuff things, because I had to pretty much look up almost nothing at all, and do it all from memory, when I'm very new to this still. But, I mean, honestly, for an hour, this is pretty good, actually. I'm kind of proud. I'm going to spend like an extra 20 minutes on this, probably. And then, like, when I post that, I'm going to post that instead. And then I'll probably make maybe an upload, like an extra one, like, oh yeah, learning how to properly, what's it called, polish stuff. Maybe I'll do a video like that. Even this is me watching a bunch of polish videos and then just kind of summarizing what I learned and applying it in my own game and showing how it works differently. like a Jonas Tyrell and all that. Bro, Jonas Tyrell is awesome. He's so cool, and his polish video is super good. But I watched that one for sure. But I didn't end up succeeding. But I'm glad I still tried. I did, I think, reinforced a good amount of memory because I made some mistakes that I made last time, like the exact same ones, and I even figured out why like some of them happened. Because one of them, particularly the position one, why kings weren't spawning in the right area with the size, which I divided by 2. Um, I kind of figured out some more stuff, and it reinforced some of the issues that I already knew about in the past. And it's kind of helped me remember the answers because I made the same mistake twice. So hopefully I won't make it a third time as much. And if so, it'll probably remember even faster the next time. But I'll work this a little more probably. Give like a jump cut maybe when that's done. We'll find out. Alright, here's the jump cut. So pretty much I made 3 major changes. One is just adding a main menu, which I'll show in a second, or just a pause menu. The other ones are I was debugging, and I just put an extra like little score thing, and then I realized, wait, this is way more fun if I do that. And before I press space, you can see how it works. I also changed what happens when you press space. Sure, you get score, same amount of score, actually a little different now. But you also change direction. Boom, 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 boom. It was a little more interactive this way, in my opinion, and I feel like, even though it was accidental, like, completely accidental, I didn't intend to make this like a 2 thing. I haven't considered doing 3 because 2 is so fun, but I'm like, nah, 2's enough. That's good. I don't want to be overwhelming. I just accidentally found something that made the game dramatically better. It's rare it happens in game dev, but it absolutely does happen when you're just messing around or you're debugging. You're like, oh wait, shoot, this would make the game way better. And in this case, I think that's the case. That especially comboed with the fact of the reflection thing, because I had the reflection thing first, where when you press space on a score, you change direction. Granted, I did find a bug also, where sometimes the player just like, it goes to the side and just leaves. But I think I fixed that. I think that had to do with the when you hit the side, change direction, and when you press space on one of these guys, you change direction. I think it had to do with that. And then like, it glitched and didn't count as entering, but exiting. I'm not fully sure, but I seem to fix it. It doesn't seem to happen anymore, though. If it does, rip. Well, I'll try to figure it out again. But it's pretty cool, and I feel quite proud of this. Got the thing button here, you can press escape for it. You can press the resume button, or you can just press escape again. I misspelled exit, actually I'll fix that right now. Maybe I'll keep it charming, who knows. You know, it's a feature, not a bug, of course, of course. But I'm quite proud of this, actually. I spent like another 2.5 hours. The canvas, honestly, I think probably took me the most time, getting this thing to do what I wanted. Because I was using like H separators that didn't really work. Because I wanted to space in between here. I didn't want pause, resume, exit all in the exact same spacing. So I had to mess with it a bit. Here's just the exit button to quit. And now I can go control. I ended up using this setup. For normal UI, it's score, but pause menu, that's the pause menu. I made a VGOS controller that holds a label, which has text, which is here. Let me just, boom. The text, which is paused. So this has its own separate VBox controller. And then there's another VBox controller that holds resume button and quit. And then I had to mess with the separators of each thing, like inside of each, what's it called, menu, like here. Like I had to give this one separate amounts of ones and then just fine tune it, make the text bigger or smaller, move it up and down, and change it again, kind of just mess with it. There's got to be a better way to do it. I need to watch a proper tutorial, I think. But I mean, it worked pretty well for what I wanted. Like, this is actually what I wanted for it. It worked out well. It pauses when I want it to. It's good. And it's a very casual game. I was considering doing an idea like, oh yeah, well, I mean, the game's okay, but you should probably have something where you don't just keep going forever. But I thought about it. If I had a timer, a lot of players don't like that. I don't like timers, actually, in my games. I feel like it makes them a lot more stressful most of the time. Like, it can be sort of fun, but I don't like the stress of it. If you want to play it for a while, let's have you play for a while. I'm not going to be, oh yeah, you get as many points as you can in a minute. I don't know. I don't really like that. So I didn't want to do that. And then I thought, okay, you have like a miss system, like you miss 3 things, and then you lose, but I don't really like that idea. I can't remember my exact reason, but I don't really like it too much. So instead I make it whenever you miss, you just lose like 7 points. I think, and I changed the amount of points you get, I increased it slightly. It's like, what was it? It was 7 times like 5 or 4, or something like that. It's a multiplicative of 7, so it's always even. In some way, if you want. It's a bug and you can spam it, I guess. But pretty much, so if you just spam, you lose more points than you gain. Yeah, you spam a little bit, it's fine. It's a single player game, if you want to cheat, it's fine. But you're incentivized not to. You get more points if you don't. And it's going to be pretty satisfying. I also made it to where because originally they would spawn randomly. However, I changed it to where they always spawn on the opposite side. And you get some interesting interactions. There's 2 of them now. That was meant for 1, but then I just kept the system and let there be 2. So it can kind of change also. So there's a little bit of actually mastery to this game. It's not just, oh yeah, wait for it. Like there's planning, mastery. Okay, I should hit this one, and this one, and this one. Get towards center. Try to get faster ones. It's pretty cool, actually. I feel like it's dope. Boom, boom. Yeah, I like this. By the time you see this, I'll have published the game already on itch.io. There'll be a link for it in the description. If you like this, please just have a good day. That's all I ask, actually. If you enjoyed this, I hope you have a good day, and thank you for being here. Peace.